What's up guys, I'm Crosby Tailor, health and fitness coach, sugar-free dessert chef, and founder of Crosby's Baking Co. Today, I'm gonna share with you my love affair with LivOn Labs Lypo-Spheric Vitamin C. It was about 3 years ago when I discovered these tiny little packets at the Erewhon tonic bar. Whether you wanted to strengthen your immune system or just about every other system in the body, it was always recommended. I felt so good that I eventually just caved and bought a box, and I haven't turned back since. In fact, the first thing I take in the morning with a glass of water is a packet of LivOn Labs Vitamin C. I can definitely tell a difference in my overall health, especially my immune health, while taking LivOn Labs Vitamin C. Vitamin C not only supports the immune system, but it also neutralizes harmful free radicals, enables collagen production, and fights the effects of premature aging. And the liposomal delivery of LivOn Labs makes sure you could better absorb and take advantage of all these benefits. LivOn Labs Lypo-Spheric Vitamin C is seriously a no-brainer for me. I'm so glad I discovered these tiny little packets at Erewhon years ago.